Oh, hi everyone, welcome back. Today is the vegetarian dish. So no meat, no chicken, and we're gonna make two dishes instead of one. So choose whatever you want. And actually it's very economical. Molokhia bag like $2. This is 2 bags plus those, so with $5 you can cook meal, healthy meal. It's very cheap dishes and very tasty too. You should try it. So let's start. First of all, with the Molokhia is 2 bags of Molokhia frozen, 1 tomato, 1 onion, some garlic, 1/3 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons coriander, chili powder, up to you, up to choice. And for the lentil, we will need 1 cup of brown lentil soaked in hot water around like half an hour, 2 big spoons tomato paste, 1 big spoon of hot pepper paste, fried onion, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, onion, some garlic, vegetable bouillon, chili powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of cumin, less than half teaspoon of black pepper. We will start with the one who will take longer time. So we'll start with lentil, but longer than Molokhia, so we will keep it in the heat to cook, and we'll start the other one. What we need here is we're gonna shred this. So what we need, first of all, to shred the onions. I told you last time you keep this piece so you don't bother when you use it. So nothing left. Olive oil and vegetable oil mix, like 2 spoons. When it's cold, you add the onion. When you start smell the onion flavor, you will add the tomato paste and the hot pepper paste. And here, low temperature, and you add all the spice, just the garlic. You keep it for next step. When all the mix get like mix well and smooth, you add the vinegar. And 2 cups of hot water. When it starts boiling, we're gonna add the garlic. So here guys, we start to eat bubble. We start boiling. So we will add the garlic. The lentil. So this traditional Egyptian dish, we call that kibba. So this is the original name for it. And we're gonna mix it good. and let it enjoy. Low temperature, we keep it like for 15 minutes. So now we will start with the Molokhia. For this we have to wait for 15 minutes. This will be done. The same thing with the onion. The same thing with the tomato too. This time we will use 1 spoon of ghee, tablespoon of ghee. So we'll start with the onion. It has to be hot to get the tastefulness. I make this dish today because you can use almost the same ingredient, the same way you make the onion, so, and fast too, and cheap. So enjoy, and you will add the tomato. And you will put it low temperature, and you keep it until you see the water came out of the tomato and the onion. Now look a little dry, so you keep it on low and wait for it to release some water, moisture. To help to release the water, we will need to add just the salt. So we'll cover it with the lid and we keep it like for 2-3 minutes to release the water. So here guys, look, we got some extra sauce released from the onion, and you feel like the onion and tomato getting bigger. We will add the Molokhia. Both of dishes you can cook it with meat. To get the broth for the meat, cook the meat or the chicken to get the broth from it, and use it instead of water here, use it instead of water here. And meat or chicken, here meat or chicken. But today is veggie day, that's why. But if you like to add meat in it or chicken, no problem. So we'll add 2 cups of hot water. And we will put it back to high temperature, but we need to watch. We don't need to be boiled. If it gets boiled, it will be very liquid. You don't need to get to this texture. Watch, don't let it boil. Just heat as much as you can. After you put it, you turn it to medium or low. Just don't make it boil. Important things. So when you see the almost the sauce start going to be less, see, and you can tell the seed is cooked. So you will keep it covered and with just no heat. It will still cook, but will make the lentil cook good, not forced to cook because need time in the heat. It will cook good and doesn't fall apart too. Like now, I need to press in it to show you it's cooked. If you keep it in the heat, it's gonna be like fall apart. I need it to be cooked, but still pieces. So this starts to be boiled, we take it off. And we go last step. We're gonna use the garlic. And with this garlic, we need it to be like very little pieces. So make sure we cut it good. We'll add some oil here. The garlic. Guys, the thickness is supposed to be like this. All the taste to the Molokhia for this trick. The leaves have already special taste, like any type of vegetable have special taste. But this, we will add all the flavor to the liquid. So when you start see it golden, you will add all the spice. Look at this, guys. It start to feel like roasted, and you smell all the spice roasted. So we'll prepare the lid very close. We'll drop this in. And we close it right away to keep the flavor in. And that's it, done. We can eat the Molokhia with just plain rice, white rice, or the vermicelli rice. I like it with bread, so it's also a choice. So we're gonna serve the Molokhia, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Come on here. Give me a minute. Unbelievable. Here, guys. That's being perfect now. So let's have a bite. Some fried onion. You will love it. I actually ate this 2 days ago. I put it in today just to show you in a video. It's amazing. So here we go. Hatz el-gibba, Molokhia is both traditional Egyptian food. Very simple, cheap, and tastes very good. So see you next video, guys. Bye.